Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone had a great Christmas and a happier new year. I hope you enjoyed your free time, if you had. And today I'm going to start this evening news van. This is from David's Lot, and this is from by Lesney, and this is number 42, and this is a Bedford van. I've got the stickers for this one from David, and I do like these Bedford vans. This is going to be my second or third to restore. So I'm pretty excited how this one gonna turn out. So let's get started with this one, guys. So here we go, guys. The van is in pieces. I think I'm not going to remove the top. I will try to remove the paint as it is. But I think again this is gonna be a difficult paint remover because this is an earlier model, so I guess the paint stocks very well. That's not gonna be a problem with the base. And I've got the wheels and the axles off the car as well. So let's chuck it into the paint stripper and let's hope that this paint will come off easy. So guys, we have the newspaper done finished, newspaper van. So let's see what we've done. I updated the wheels a little bit and the base as well. And as you can see, I put it back together already. So it's ready for assembly. And here we go. This was one of my most difficult paint stripping ever. It was really difficult. It took me 3 days to get rid of the paint, but now you can see that the van is actually done. And I've got the stickers on, the decals, which David produced for me, and I think they look fantastic. And I painted it van yellow, done the detailing on the front, and sprayed it with clear. So I think it looks pretty good. So there's nothing else left, just to put the car together. So guys, the evening news van is now finished, and I hope that David's gonna like it. What I've done is I obviously done the detailings a little bit, put the stickers, decals on, and I sprayed it with clear, which is, I think, looks fantastic. And this is the first, sorry, the second car from David's lot. If you guys did like this restoration project, please give me a thumbs up and comment as well. And thank you very much for watching. Take care. See you at my next video. Bye bye.